Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see that if your Windows Store apps can't connect to the internet, you can easily fix this with a simple trick. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So what you simply want to do is just go to the start menu and right here WS reset, and make sure you see this kind of icon and then run the command. It will take some time to open. So once you use this, you will be able to connect with your apps on the internet. So if this works, that's great. Otherwise, let's try trick 2. So in trick 2, what we can do is just write cmd here in the start menu. But let's just close this, because what I want to do is just right click and run as administrator. Click yes. Now what you can do is right here ipconfig, give a space / and right here flush DNS. This is a simple command, guys. You can just take the screenshot of it. I'll just zoom it for you. ipconfig / flush DNS. Hit enter and you will see this message: successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now what we need to write is net sh, give it a space, and right here winsock space reset. So this one is the second command. Hit enter and you should see this message: successfully reset the winsock catalog. So after that, just close this and then just restart your PC. So just restart your PC and that should work fine. So guys, let me know in the comments if that works, and I'll see you in the next one.